Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, how to add logic in SurveyMonkey to make your surveys smarter and more dynamic. To get started, log into your SurveyMonkey account and head to the Design Survey section. If you want to use question skip logic, click on the question you'd like to adjust and open the Logic tab. From there, you can send respondents to different pages, specific questions, or even straight to the end of the survey based on how they answer. You also have the option to disqualify respondents when needed. Once you set everything up, be sure to save your changes and preview the survey to test that all logic paths work correctly. A useful tip is to place questions that use logic at the end of a page to prevent navigation issues. If you're using a paid plan, you can also apply page skip logic by selecting page logic at the top of the design page and choosing where respondents should go next, whether that's another page, the end of the survey, or a disqualification page. And that's basically how you can add logic in SurveyMonkey to improve your surveys. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.